Hey, how's it going, guys? Saad here, and you're gonna learn about exe method, which execute a search for a match in a specified string and return a result array or a null. So if it found that by searching that, it will be return that result array, and if doesn't find it, it gonna return null. So what we're gonna do, create a var regex1, because we're gonna use that regex parameter, and pass foo, and in the end I'm gonna use this, and after that I'm gonna pass g. When we're done with that, we will create a string one, str1, and use string table fuva. After that, comma football. When we do that, we just inserted this on that. We will find that. When we do that, it what gonna say is find the index of it. Like in this case, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ninth, and after that, what is next? So what we need to do is create a while loop, because it gonna do until it find that. I'm sorry, I forgot about that. We need to create another array first, array 1, and then what we're gonna do is pass array 1 equals regEx1, and now what we're gonna do, pass the execute method, and inside that we'll pass the string one. We are passing the string one in here, so that it gonna check that, and then we will use not equals to null. That means it gonna execute the while loop until it gonna get null. So, and after that we can print array1 and the number of it. But there is a problem with that. We can't see what's going on, so we need to log it on a console and use the backtick method, and I will say remove those. You know what backtick is? It gonna is print another form to print strings. You can find that backtick besides skip the first button on your keyboard, and write write something which makes sense, like found array 1, pass that 0. It's gonna show the first of it, and use full stop. Next, starts at, use this, pass this, regex, oh sorry about that, regx1 dot last index. It's a method of an array prototype to check the last time what it does. So when we do that, see, find foo, it's here, find foo next starts at 9, found foo next starts at 18. So, and if you like, I remove make a space, we're gonna say 19. So hope you understand this video. If you had any problem, hit me in the comments. I will be sure to reply and clear your answers. So hope you guys like this video. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.